Did you know that over 90% of purchasing decisions are influenced by unconscious mental shortcuts? Understanding the hidden drivers of human behavior can revolutionize business strategies. Organizations ignoring behavioral principles miss crucial opportunities to influence decision-making. Their marketing campaigns underperform, employee incentives fail, and customer experience strategies fall flat. Without understanding psychological drivers, companies waste resources on ineffective solutions based purely on rational logic. Professionals lacking behavioral insights struggle to predict and influence human behavior effectively. They create programs assuming people make purely logical decisions, leading to frustrated teams and missed targets. This knowledge gap results in poor policy design and ineffective change initiatives. This certificate program reveals the fascinating intersection of psychology and economics. Through real-world case studies, participants discover how cognitive biases and social influences shape decisions, learning to design more effective solutions. Organizations applying these principles see immediate improvements in their effectiveness. Communications become more persuasive, products more appealing, and policies more impactful. Customer engagement rises as choices align with natural decision-making patterns. Participants gain powerful insights into human behavior, enabling them to design better solutions to complex problems. They learn to create environments that naturally encourage desired behaviors, leading to improved outcomes in everything from sales to organizational change. The program provides practical frameworks for understanding and influencing behavior in real-world contexts. Participants learn to identify cognitive biases, design choice architectures, and implement evidence-based strategies for behavior change. Master the science of decision-making and transform your professional impact. Enroll now to unlock the power of behavioral economics and revolutionize how you approach human behavior.